Today we're making pumpkin cheesecake pancakes. So I was thinking of doing pumpkin spice pancakes, but I'm like, cream cheese tastes so good with pancakes, so we are bringing it to the next level. So these pancakes are pumpkin spice flavored and they have a cream cheese swirl in the middle. You might remember I did some cinnamon swirl pancakes a year or two ago, so I'll link them in the cards here. It's a similar technique, but these are so good. Oh my God. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna actually make the cheesecake swirl. You wanna combine some cream cheese, pumpkin pie spice, and pecans in a bowl. Beat with an electric mixer until smooth. Then spin this mixture into a piping bag and just snip off the end to create a medium-sized round piping tip, and then just set that aside. Next we're gonna make whipped cream because this will actually chill in the fridge while we're making the pancakes. So you wanna pour some whipping cream, some cream cheese, and some pumpkin pie spice and icing sugar into a bowl and beat until stiff peaks form. Spoon into a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip. Then pop the piping bag into the fridge while you make the pancakes. And this is gonna keep the whipping cream firm and it'll be ready to use whenever your pancakes are done. Next, we're going to make the cute little leaves. This is optional, but I think that they're cute. You wanna melt some candy melt in a microwave-safe bowl for 30 seconds or until fully melted. Spoon the candy melt into maple leaf shaped molds, which I will have linked down below as well as the full recipe. And I use mini mold and a maple leaf lollipop mold. And for the lollipop mold, I attached a lollipop stick as well. And this is because I wanted to stick it down through the center of all the pancakes and have a leaf at the top. Then place the molds into the fridge to set while you make the pancakes. Now, to finally make the pancakes, you want to combine some flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and pumpkin pie spice in a bowl. Make a well in the center and add the milk, butter, egg, and pumpkin. Whisk everything together, then add a drop of orange food coloring. And funny story, when I was making this for Thanksgiving for my family, because I'm in Canada, Thanksgiving's a bit earlier, I was so exhausted and it felt like glue. I'm like, what in the world is wrong? I tried to double the recipe, but I only remembered to double the flour and nothing else, so don't do that. It is like wallpaper paste. Oh my gosh. Then heat a frying pan to medium or medium-high heat and spray it with cooking spray, and then just wipe the excess off with a paper towel. So I spray and wipe the excess off every time before each pancake just to make sure that it is a nice, smooth, even layer of oil on each pancake. Spoon 2 large spoonfuls of batter onto the frying pan and immediately pipe a swirl of the cream cheese mixture into the center. And if you wait too long to do this, it won't sink into the pancake and it'll just stay on top, and then when you flip it over, only that part will cook and it'll burn, so just be careful. Cook the pancake for 1 to 2 minutes or until bubbles begin to form on the surface. Then flip the pancake over and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Then just repeat with the remaining batter. To serve, stack the pancakes and top with a swirl of the pumpkin spice whipped cream and decorate with the chocolate leaves, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I also wanted to note that you can make these in advance and then pop them in the toaster at like level 2, depending on your toaster. So you can have like fresh tasting pancakes if you don't have the time to make them the morning that you want them, or if you have some leftovers, that's how you heat them up, and they taste just as delicious. So yes, I'm so excited. Make sure to stay tuned tomorrow because I'm uploading a Halloween recipe every single day in October from Monday to Friday each week. And I also want to remind you that there is going to be a Harry Potter giveaway coming very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on Instagram and the community tab on YouTube, and you see that if you subscribe, it will show up in your subscription tab. So keep a lookout because that's where I'll be announcing it. But yeah, I love you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.